So we have S1 equals 25.64 meters from PVC. So this is the value of your S1 is the distance from PVC to point C. In order to solve for the stationing of the highest point of the curve, we have to add S1 to the stationing of PVC. So we have stationing at highest point equals stationing at PVC plus S1. So by substitution, we have 6 plus 7, 80 plus 25.64 meters. Or let's move the meter sign. So we have the stationing at the highest point of 780 plus 25.64, 805.64. So the stationing of the highest point is 6 plus 805.64 for number 3. So we have answered question number 3. For number 4, compute for the elevation of the highest point on the curve. So for number 4, we have to solve for the elevation at highest point, which can be solved by from elevation of PVC. Let's project this height. We have this height H3. So elevation of PVC plus height H3 will bring you here. Then you subtract this height Y3 in order to bring you here in this elevation. So we have elevation at C, or the highest point, equals elevation of PVC plus H3 minus Y3. So that is equal to elevation of PVC plus H3 minus Y3. So we already have the value of H of 1.56. Now let's solve for the values of H3 and Y3. So H3 equals this distance S1, 25.64 multiplied by the grade of 5%. So that is equal to 25.64 times 0.05 equals 1.28. So we have 1.28 meters. Now to solve for Y3 using the square property of parabola, Y3 is 2 S1 of 25.64 squared equals H is to L1 squared. Y3 equals 1.56 times 25.64 squared over 40 squared. So Y3 is equal to 0.64. Now we have y3 and h3. We can substitute. So that is 110 plus h3 minus y3. So the elevation of highest point is equal to 110 plus 1.28 minus 0.64. So we have 110.64 meters. And that answers question number 4. So let's recap. So we have height of fill at the left edge of the box culvert D1 is equal to 2.2 meters. Height of fill at the right edge of the culvert D2 is equal to 2.22 meters. Next, we have stationing of the highest point of the curve. We have 6 plus 805.64, and elevation of the highest point of the curve is 110.64 meters.